Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fade in and fade out effect to your video using CapCut. This can be a great way to make your videos look more professional and polished. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First, open the CapCut app and select the video you want to add the effects to. Next, you will want to find the section of the video where you want the fade in effect to begin. Then, select the video you add, and you will open a menu in bottom. After that, click on Animation. Now, you are come in menu of all animations. You can select a part of video you want add animation. Now, you will need to scroll to right, to find fade in animation. And click on it. Also you can set how many seconds will it last. And confirm. Now, repeat a process to go on menu with animations. Then click on this to go, to add animation on end of video. Next, select a fade out animation, and set a time of that animation. And you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.